guys, welcome to another video. This year is the one time of the year, and of course it's on Friday the 13th, so let's make it nice. It's the one thing that I love. Can you guess? I mean, if you saw the video, yeah. You saw the thumbnail, title of the video. It says 2020 Hess truck. Yeah, it's pretty nice. So finally, it's something different, and because it's 2020, we wanted something different. So this thing is making me happy. I want to play with it for all of you. Okay. 12-year-old boy plays with toys. Okay, so we already get like a nice garage. Tell me what it looks like. Nice. Keeping the box and stuff. I am. Oh, I get the little thing right here. Ooh. I wish I could show you somehow. It's on this white plastic. No, it's cardboard. Attached to the wheels. Yeah, it looks pretty nice already. It's looking pretty nice. How do I get the sound to work? Oh, there we go. There's a little lever right here. I guess this is how I get the thing to work. Here we go. First sound. So those are the sounds. They're definitely loud. Oh, we got lights. So this is the first switch, on, and then mute. I don't know what that button means, but I'm keeping it on for it now. It's very bright. Taking my Hess truck as a flashlight around. Here we got. This is completely new, so I can't compare it with anything. There's a piece of cardboard in here blocking it. Why? Looks pretty nice inside. We got the Hess truck thing right here. Ooh, this is the mini truck, I guess. Oh, it's a rescue truck. Another lever. There we go. Hit on. And not bright. I saw this comes down. That's pretty nice. Looks like you can load stuff up even if it's big. So that's pretty cool. Put that back in. Oh, so you pull it back and it goes. That's pretty cool, and it's pretty fast. That little force. That's nice, and it looks like you got the button right here for that. So yeah, that's pretty nice. Yeah, that's all looks like I can review. I mean, I love the detail and all. It's an ambulance. What do you expect? Looks like an ambulance. This is pretty cool. So I hope you guys like this year's review. If you want one, ask Santa Claus. But I hope you guys like today's video, and this is a yearly thing. So see you next year for 2021.